Hi everybody, I have this box of lasagna, which is empty, that I am going to make into a box that will hold ephemera. And I was going to do it long ways, and I opened up this top part and I was going to have it so that it was tall, but I decided instead to close it, and I'm going to cut this part out and make it into a long type of thing that you can lay things down that you've made, maybe bookmarks, maybe scrap paper, anything you want. So right now I just got this X-Acto knife. I started cutting right here, and I'll go ahead and finish cutting off the top and see how it works. We'll see how it goes. Taking my time, trying to be neat. There's one side. Be careful that you don't cut yourself doing this. And then over here. Now you can use any box, any size, and you can do this. You can make it any shape, any design, any whatever. This is just what I came up with today. I could either scrap this into the recycling, or I could make it into maybe some bookmarks. We'll just put it aside for now to see how it goes. So now we've got this box here, and we can use it to put stuff in, but we want to make it a little bit more decorative. So what are we going to do? We need to find some papers or something to put over it to make it really pretty. Also, I want to reinforce these little flaps inside so that when we're putting things in the box, they don't get trapped down inside and then fall out the bottom. As you can see, hopefully you can see the holes there. So I'm going to just stick a piece of tape across them. Just like that. Just a piece of Scotch tape just to hold those. They may need more reinforcement, but for now that should do. There's a little flap here. I'll cut this one out. Oh, pops right out. Okay, good. So how shall we decorate it? Should we just leave the inside blank and decorate the outside? I think that would be sufficient, don't you? So let's see what we've got. I looked around and I found some really pretty duct tape that I had gotten from the dollar store. So I think maybe that might look good on there. Let's see, it might be tricky to line up evenly, but we shall see. And if it doesn't work out, we can do something else. So I'm going to try. You know, it's super, super humid here. It's been in the hundreds, and today it's cooler, but it's been raining all night and raining all day. And it makes it so that tape of any kind is difficult to work with. It's really strange that that's the case, but it is the way it is. My washi tape's been messed up. My double-sided tape I've been struggling with. So let's just do this. Oh, that looks great already. And then just wrap it around. Try to keep it straight. That's my challenge, is trying to keep it straight. See, I already straightened it on that side. So take your time. Take your time and make it as neat as you can, because you'll be happier with it that way. But if it's not perfect, it's only paper. I mean, we could have used this as is without even decorating it. So any little bit of decoration is better than none, isn't it? So there's the first layer. And we'll do another one. So let's see. I don't know if I can line up the, oh gosh. Let's see. All right, I'm gonna just leave it, even though it's left a gap, because if I pull it off, it's gonna really, all right, I'm gonna pull it off part way to try to make it evener, more even, I should say. And it's peeled the cardboard right off. But if I need to, I can come around and glue it. Doesn't have to be perfect. Just try to make it line up if you can. I can see that mine is not lined up properly, but that's okay. That's okay. I could always put another piece across it if I want, or decorate it some other way with something else. So it looks like we've gotten to the top, and what I could do is one of a couple of things. I could either trim this edge so that it's flush with the tape, or I could put another piece of tape around it and reinforce the top of the box. I could get a different kind of tape, maybe a piece of thick washi tape that goes with it, so that it kind of just goes around and gives this more of a lip. So let me see what I can find. Oh, and before that, I am going to decorate the bottom. Why not? Because why not, right? So this, I am going to just try to line up. Oh, I don't know how that's going to work. I should have done the bottom first, really. That's what I should have done. But it's okay. Only paper and tape. So I'm going to put another one across here. I really don't like that. It looks like I stuck that right down in the middle. I am going to repeal this. Repeal this. It totally tore off the back, but that's okay. Let's see how we can do this a little bit better. Maybe more like this. And I'm going to have to probably glue this because I tore off the, you know what, I'm not going to bother. I'm going to use this. Oh, what shall I do? Maybe I will. I don't want to waste it. So I'm going to go ahead and glue it. These are hard to work with. They're not hard to work with, but they take some doing. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and use, how about Fabri-Tac glue? Fabri-Tac. I could use a glue stick if I wanted, but I think this will work fine. Just put it right on here. Just a little bit. Just a little bit to make it stick, because I had peeled off everything. And I will line it up carefully as I can. Fabri-Tac gives you a little bit of wiggle room, which is nice. There, that's better. And so then for the next piece, I'll try to do it even the first time. And I will take my time. And just because I'm making a video doesn't mean I have to rush. On the contrary, it's probably better that I don't rush and that I take my time and allow you to just put me on fast forward if it's going too slow for you, because I do not mind that one bit. I like to watch craft videos when I'm following along on real time, and then when I'm watching just to learn, I'll watch them on 1.5 or double speed. Ooh, yay! Look at how much nicer that's looking. So now we still need to decide what to do to reinforce the edge, and I'm thinking, I mean, I don't know. I could use this same tape, or I could use some washi tape. I'm gonna go take a look and see what kind of washi tapes I've got that might match this and might be suitable. So let's go take a look. Okay, so I found a couple of possibilities here. This one's more of the teal color. This one's more of the bluish color. And it looks like this is more of the bluish color as well. So maybe we'll, let's see, how does this look? That might look good. Not quite wide enough though. I kind of like this one. So let's try using a wide piece of washi. I don't even know if I have enough of this, but I can use part of it anyway, or I can use it on part of it. So I'm going to do the same thing as I've done with the other pieces of tape, but I'm going to just about halfway from the top, and I'm going to go ahead and do it in strips because it's going to be a lot easier for me to make it tidy if I'm using just strips of washi instead of going all the way around. So yeah, I'm just kind of tucking it in, going around, making it so that it has a nice reinforced kind of a lip. And that looks nice. I think that looks pretty good. And it's smooth and it's not ragged and jagged like these. So, all right, well, let's do the two sides. Let's do the two sides next. Let's just take a little piece of strip of it and tear it and put it on halfway and then tuck it down inside. And I could have cut off that edge, but I didn't. It worked out okay. So there we got another side. And where's the tape I was using? Is it this one? Yes, it's this one. So we'll do this side next. My washi tape is really sticky. Okay, so we'll just tear that to that. And then another one halfway across, halfway up and down, in other words, a piece of tape, and then just fold it on inside. Hey, looking good. I think it's looking pretty good. So yeah, I really should have done the sides first, because now it's got evidence that I did the sides second. Which I guess doesn't matter. So let's just do one more. The big side. It's gonna be so pretty. This is so pretty of washi tape. I really love this. I'm so glad I have the ability to use it, because oftentimes I don't know, not necessarily the ability to use it, but there's a lot of times that I just don't really know what to do with all my washi tape, and it sits there and it doesn't get used as much as I would like to use it, because I have quite a bit of it, as you can see by some of my rolls. But this is a good opportunity to use it, and I think it turns out pretty nice. Well, that doesn't really cover the edge very well on that side as it does on that side, but I don't know. I think it looks pretty good. Do you think it looks good enough as it is, or should we decorate it further? There's the bottom, there's the sides, there's the inside. So now we can put anything we want in here. We can store our washi tapes, perhaps, or we could store our glues, like so. Paper clips. Another thing that we could put in here is ephemera. Perhaps you have just a bunch of papers and things that you want to use in a journal, but you don't have any journal to put them in yet. Ooh, this would be perfect for that kind of thing. We've got receipts, we've got Bible tracts, all kinds of things, and that can be stored in there. In fact, I think maybe that's what I'll do with mine. So anyway, that's how you make a lasagna box into something much prettier and much more useful. And you can do this with any box that you get from the store that you get packaging in. So thanks for watching, everybody, and you have a good day. And if you like this video, please click like and subscribe so that anytime I put out a new video that you can enjoy it too. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.